Fix in 5. Let's decode P0590. Cruise control multifunction input a circuit intermittent, electrical. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Cruise control does not engage or engage intermittently. Cruise control light flickers on and off. Check engine light illuminated. Cruise control buttons unresponsive at times. Loss of cruise control functionality without warning. Now the most likely causes. Loose or corroded cruise control switch connector. Damaged wiring harness to cruise control switch. Failing cruise control switch. Internal contact degradation. Poor ground connection in cruise control circuit. Water ingress into switch assembly or connector. Here's how a pro pins it down. Replace faulty cruise control switch if internal contacts. Clean or repair connectors showing corrosion or water ingress. Repair or replace broken, shorted, or pinched wiring in TH. Secure and reseat any loose multiplugs at the switch or co. Remove or disconnect aftermarket accessories interfering W. Reflash or update ECM, PCM software, where recommended by. How to fix it. Clean cruise control switch connector contacts with electrical contact cleaner. Repair or replace damaged wiring in cruise control circuit. Replace cruise control switch or multifunction switch assembly. Replace steering wheel switch stock assembly if mechanical damage detected. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 125 to 200 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0590? The cost to fix P0590 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make, model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cow. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0590. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.